All right, what's up, readers? We're going to be diving into Johnny's pick this week for Cash Daddies 87 Roblox RBLX. Let's get into the charts real quickly. Ignore what we got at the bottom here. The main thing to keep in mind is we have a higher level support resistance around 70 here, or it is 70 exactly, right? We're dancing around 70, almost touch, 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 breakthrough, retest, touch. Okay, now let's dive down to the daily level. And what we are seeing on the daily level is a potential double bottom. I say potential because this candle is today's candle, so we need today's candle to close, and ideally the weekly candle to close as well, so we can see what it looks like at the weekly level. All right. So we have a potential double bottom here, right? And if we look at the indicators, let's just look at RSI real quick. You can see we have what's called bullish divergence. Following the points of the double bottom, we can see that the points of the RSI around those double bottom levels show, the second point is higher than the first. That's bullish divergence, all right? So this gives us some indication that we're moving into more of a bullish sentiment, let's say. And so that gives us a little more higher probability that this is a double bottom and it's going to turn from here. Okay, now with a double bottom, we have the resistance level of the double bottom, which is around low 50s right here in this blue line, 53-ish. And to get your target for the double bottom, you measure that resistance level down to the double bottom. You do the reverse for a double top, right? You just measure that length and you can just extend it. And very interestingly, in this case, that target goes straight up to our long-term resistance level at 70. Look at that. It's almost perfect, right? It's almost like this is all working in some kind of fractal universe. All right. So what we would be watching for is for this to, you can make trades up to this resistance level, right? But if you're going to kind of trade the double bottom pattern, you're waiting for a break of this level and for this to move up to 70, and then you close out your trade. Now, shorter term, you can still work with this in the shorter term. So you can see within this double bottom, we have a downtrend channel, which looks like it's now finishing with our F leg. So if you watch, my videos, I've done a bunch of these kind of channels or falling wedges lately where we get to an F leg and that's the final bottom and you bounce from there. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So, right, so that's high to low to, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? You're doing the legs, proper legs of that pattern. We are at the F leg now. The F leg is the double bottom. So we're stacking on that technical analysis to the double bottom, starting to stack probabilities. So we'd be looking for a bounce from here. So if you wanted to do a riskier trade, you could even just buy this now. You want to do something more conservative, you could wait for this to move and break up from this downtrend channel, retest it, buy in around here, and then just trade this up to this double bottom resistance level, right? So that's a shorter term trade that you could do, and then you could keep watching it, wait for a potential breakout of the double bottom resistance, and then that it's going up to 70, like we highlighted with our target right here. Right, so that's what we're watching for. So this is a potentially good pick at the moment. So some shorter term stuff down to the 4-hourly level if you guys want. Some longer term, medium term, let's say, swing trading with that double bottom. So all right, guys, that's Roblox for now. Johnny's pick this week for Cash Daddies. Thanks for watching. Give a like, give a subscribe, throw in a comment, and follow Chart Daddies on Twitter. Follow Cash Daddies on Twitter and YouTube. Thanks for the support, guys. Peace.